Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix something went wrong problem on Spotify. First of all, tap and hold your Spotify app. Then click on App Info and go into Storage Usage from App Info. Tap to clear cache from storage usage. And go back to Permissions to make sure you allow all the access. Then click on the Open by Default option. Make sure to turn on the Open Supported link. After that, go into Storage Usage and click to clear data, then tap on OK if you want to permanently delete the app data. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.